Hi, welcome to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Once again, this is Wandering World and welcome to our channel. For today's adventure, we are going to the Great Smoky Mountain. So enjoy watching, guys! Look at that beautiful view, guys. This beautiful mountain range reaches towering heights of nearby 7,000 feet. But it's famous for its magical smoky haze. Look at that beautiful.
We're here at the Clingmans Dome. We're way above the clouds. We're in the clouds.
It's summertime, but it's
cold out here.
Cold.
It's
cold, baby. Yes, it's very cold, even it's a summertime already, because this Clingmans Dome is the highest point in Tennessee, which rises to an elevation of 6,643 feet. By the way, guys, the Great Smoky Mountains are the mountain range rising along the Tennessee and the North Carolina border in the southeastern United States. So they are the sub-range of the Appalachian Mountains and this area. So the range is sometimes called the Smoky Mountains, and the name is commonly shortened to the Smokey. The Great Smokies are best known as the home of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which protects most of the range. So enjoy the view, guys! Guys, the name Smokey comes from the natural fog that often hangs over the range and present as large smoke plumes from a distance. So as you can see, all the fog there, guys, and it's different if you're there. It's just beautiful.
We're up here at the Clingmans Dome. The clouds are moving in, but for now we can see out all over there. We're higher than the clouds.
This is the
highest point that you can drive to. Let's walk back up that way. I think this is it. This is the spot.
Yeah, that one. This park was established in the year 1934 and with over 11 million visits per year. Imagine that, guys. So the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is the most popular national park in the country. So even you're going to combine even you're going to combine the Yosemite, Yellowstone, or a Grand Canyon, still this park, the Great Smoky Mountain, is the most visited park in the United States.
Hey guys, these next few pictures you can see we were going to the observation deck at Clingmans Dome. It was really foggy up there, and if you look close, there's a picture that shows how far it is. It's 0.5 tenths, 0.5. It's 0.5 of a mile to the top of it. And me and Sheila, Miss Wandering World, we hike a lot, and so when we seen that sign, he said, "Shoot, we'll be up there in 15 minutes." Well, not so true. When we were going up there, there was people that were falling down, that they were fainting.
They're having a hard time.
There, yeah, because the air is, you're so high in the air at over 6,000 feet that it's really hard to breathe up there if you do any movement at all. So it took us close to 45 minutes to an hour
We're up here
to
at the
walk up
Clingmans
there
Dome.
instead of
Clouds are
usual
moving
10 or
in,
15
but
minutes
for now,
that we can walk.
we can see out
because we can
all
walk
over there. We're higher than the clouds.
a lot further than that. And here, guys, up by the Clingmans Dome, this sign we're standing in front of, you can't read it real well, but it's where the Appalachian Trail crosses the Smoky Mountains, and it's the highest point on the Appalachian Trail that there's very few people have walked the whole Appalachian Trail. They say it's life-changing. That wished I could to try to do it. They say it takes about 6 months to a year for the average person to walk. So I won't be doing that, but it's really a neat place, guys. Hope you get a chance to go see it too. Okay, guys, now we're off to another place called Abrams Falls. It having a lot of traffic this day, but it's not too bad. You just sit in the car and air conditioning and just keep moving along. It was well worth the wait to go to see this place. You can see it says 3 to 4 hour hike to this here to the waterfall, and it says to bring drinking water, which we did. They even, where we parked at the parking lot, we started down the trail, and there was a forest patrol guy, park ranger you call him, yeah, that stopped us and asked us if we had water, that and we said yes we do. That they were watching out, I guess, over a long big holiday weekend like that. They're checking, because there's people that's get out on a 3 or 4 mile hike that never have hiked before and don't have a clue that you're going to get thirsty and you need water, and it was probably 90 degrees, is hot. That's y'all, anytime you're going to go hiking, me and Miss Wondering World just want to emphasize that. We want to tell you, make sure you bring water. Food you can do without for quite a while.
And that waterfalls, it was really nice. It's worth it to walk like 3 to 4 hours. It's really worth it.
3 or 4, yeah. It was. We even we got to take our shoes off because our feet we was tired when we got there. It's quite a walk. But it was really nice. There's a few people there, not really too crowded. That we got to play around the water, and then we put our shoes back on and headed on back out. So guys, get a chance, head on up there to the Smokies. Check it out.
And now, guys, it's time to say thank you to all our super chatters. Nissel Vlog, Lifetime Journey, Maritus Rish, 101 Food Travel, Cry Cry Vlog, Lovely Blue Chill, Manang Linda Channel, MC Black Watchera, English Teacher and Friends, and Ruby's Foreign Family. And to all our subscribers out there, to all our friends, thank you for all the love and support, guys. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa ngayon, pero maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Words cannot express how much happiness we really appreciate to all you guys for the love and support, and especially your precious time watching all our videos, attending all our premieres. Thank you so much. We say cheers to you all on this unique day for your love and support. We love you guys from the bottom of our heart. This is Wondering World. Say thank you so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this adventure, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for our next adventure.